Located in the desirable Westford Woods neighborhood in North Kingstown, this elegant colonial offers 4 large bedrooms, 2.5 recently updated baths, and nearly half an acre of beautifully manicured land. The home has a dramatic entrance with a 2-story foyer flooded with natural light. The entry foyer leads to a comfortable living room to the left that steps into an inviting and bright family room with a gorgeous marble fireplace. The generous eat-in kitchen is a chef's dream with silestone countertops and modern stainless steel appliances. The home is perfect for both indoor and outdoor dinner parties, with the formal dining room and the large back deck just steps from the kitchen. Upstairs, the master bedroom features its own ensuite bath with a luxurious soaking tub and convenient double vanity. 3 additional bedrooms and a second full bath are also on this level, as well as a convenient laundry room. Located in Saunderstown, the home is just a 5-mile drive to nearby North Kingstown Beach, as well as all the shops, restaurants, and marinas of historic Wickford Village. Enjoy guided kayak tours down Narrow River, or take a short drive to the beautiful beach and seaside restaurants along the Narragansett Pier. This property also has convenient access to Routes 1 and 4, allowing for an easy commute to all the business, culture, and entertainment of the creative capital. For more information, please visit the property website or contact the Mellor team at area code 401-639-0837.